So, October 30th. Probably my last update video for the Joker, coming in 2017, in place of Jester's, East River Crawler, and Rage of Cajun. They moved our covered bridge to this area, putting up the supports. Everything's going to be ready by 2017. When it's going to open, we don't know. It's going to be a different look next year. I heard rumors that they completely took out Jester's Wild Trek. Basically, completely removed. So, let's see. And yes, they did. I'm going to go to East River Crawler, take a look into the old Rage of Cajun spot. This is where the bridge used to be, or the covered bridge. And this is where Jester's is going to go over. Let's see what's going on inside. Nothing much. But it will be different. And East River Crawler, which is moving over to the orbit spot. Everything is completely removed now. Until next year, we'll have fun.